Ipalayo sad ka.
Blood. Kasi di mo nang pakanoon. Nakakataon ko.
Nganong wala man ka sa bed? Nganong wala man ka sa bed? Why you're not in bed now? Why you're only in chairs? You kanang
No,
ha?
no space in emergency.
Oh, no space in the hospital's emergency. Oh.
No hospital beds available.
No beds hospital available. So that's why my sister is in the only chairs can lay down. Sakto ba lay down? If I go there, will be one less. If I go there, I will be one less hospital. Are you sure you cannot just tell her to walk out? Oy, Dai, Broswin said you just walk out daw. Do they allow people to pay off their bill on payment plan? They do allow. Kuan ako red. Kuan na red kanang tubag ka ba? Do they allow people to pay off their bill on payment plan?
No.
Ha? No, Mark. O, dali, ang tatagpang. And how much is the mystery bill? Pila yung mystery bill ko, no? Ang bill ba, bill? Mystery bill.
Wala pa. My mystery bill when I go out.
Unsa?
Ay, ka, pabaw mama.
My hospital bill when I go out.
When she go out, guys, the bill is give to the hospital. Say hi, Dai.
Ano po kung ako din?
Anya na, paabot sa... Kumana. What is the bill? The bill is... When she go out, I never seen a place that can detain you. Wait, so the... Mana?